knowledge makes you great.
It's been 25 years of passionate chasing. And this is Ronak. Yeah, he is the Brigade Garden Shop Owners Association. Okay, so Amma, this is Chinnu, and Chinnu is here at Puja, Home Puja Jewelers. He's an amazing youngster. He is the head of Nirmati Productions who does all our shoots. So Murali is the man behind Nirmati Productions. This is Ajay. All the videos what you have seen on Tarmac, most of them are edited by Ajay.
Picture of President Kalam.
Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Anand Krishnan here, coming to you from Tarmac Media House, our small space in Brigade Gardens on Church Street in Bangalore. This series is called Hamara Heroes. Through Hamara Heroes, Tarmac Media House will get you very inspiring stories of people. So when I say heroes, it need not be military alone. It could be anyone. Hamara Heroes will focus, as always, on youngsters. So whomever we are interviewing, whomever we are getting you on this series will primarily address youngsters, because I told you before, as a journalist, I have decided now, whatever I do, everything will be locked on to you guys youngsters, right? So today, as India is celebrating 75 years of independence, and on this Independence Day, we are delighted to launch this new series, Hamara Heroes, and with us, we have the one and only Meghna Girish Madam. And we are all blessed that she came all the way from Devanahalli, which is 45 kilometers from here, to Tarmac Media House. She hasn't been traveling much in the last couple of months. I don't have to tell more about her because everybody knows her. Everybody. Major Akshay Giri's mother. Her husband worked in Indian Air Force, Wing Commander Girish, and now he is with a private airline. And a very, very inspiring family. And for me, I'm interviewing my Amma. She treats me like her own son. Every day we exchange notes, and what has really touched me is that the amount of help she her husband, the Major Akshay Girish Trust, and all of the connected people. Lot of work, very silently. So Meghna Girish ma'am, Amma, welcome to Tarmac Media House. Welcome to my small dream. Whatever you see here is all मेरा छोटा छोटा ड्रीम है. मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हम हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे तो शायद कुछ ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक होगा, बट सो माय प्रणाम्स टू यू. You know, I'm so blessed you are here. You might be having great memories of Church Street and, you know, this side, isn't it?
Yes, Ananta, thank you for inviting me. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यहाँ आके. आते ही एक बहुत अच्छा वाइब मिला. बाहर ग्रीनरी है, अंदर आपके गुरु कलाम हैं, एंड सपने छोटे ही होते हैं जब शुरू होते हैं, बट आई एम श्योर दैट वी ऑल ड्रीम ऑफ you know, good things from here on. Yes, it's been a difficult time for everyone, and I really feel sad that students have had to suffer a lot because of this COVID pandemic, online classes.
Yeah.
I see that struggle, and I'm happy to be here. So thank you for that.
And we have Major Akshay here.
Of course.
You know, and I must tell all of you, she said not to give publicity, लेकिन ये publicity नहीं है, it is just a mother's love. मैंने जब ये ऑफिस स्टार्ट किया तो मुझे एक अमेज़ॉन डिलीवरी बॉय का एक फ़ोन आया, तो आपको एक पार्सल है, तो मैंने सोचा अरे कुछ ऑर्डर तो नहीं किया, तो देन आई पिक्ड इट अप. इट वाज अ ह्यूज पैकेट एंड शी गिफ्टेड दिस रेफ्रिजरेटर to Tarmac Media House. I was so touched because हमारे बारे में सोचना, and you know, very rarely people think like that, and I was very touched. You know, it was like my mother. Had she been there, she would have done the same and perhaps many more things.
So maybe it was your mother who told me ना कहीं से the vibes that कम से कम एक कभी कभार गर्मी में ठंडा पानी तो मिल ही जाना चाहिए when you are working hard.
Yes, and तो next day हमने मेजर अक्षय का एक फोटोग्राफ फटाफट फ्रेम करके एवरी डे हमारा निर्मति प्रोडक्शन का यूनिट का टीम, बिकॉज आई एम ए सिंगल मैन हियर, तो उन लोग ही पूजा करता है, क्लीन करता है, मेरे को हेल्प करता है whenever they are free. So they ensure that they come and offer, they clean the thing, the photo, they put flowers. All right, so here we now take off Hamara Heroes. You know, what is that uniqueness? What's that great feeling you have when you interact with young India? Because I know that there are a lot of youngsters who follow you, and you also, you know, away from the social media, आपने इतना youngsters को mentoring बहुत कुछ चीज़ें करता है. आपको क्या लग रहा है, उन लोग सही दिशा में जा रहे हैं और कुछ फ्लाइट पाथ का ट्वीकिंग चाहिए?
देखो, जनरली मैं हमेशा बहुत पॉजिटिव फील करती हूँ इंडिया के यंगस्टर्स को देख के. मुझे लगता है स्पेशली लाइक अब हम कई लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के बच्चों के साथ भी, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स के साथ भी, एंड मैं देखती हूँ कि वो जनरली ब्राइट हैं, चेयरफुल हैं, एंड दे हैव दैट फीलिंग ऑफ वांटिंग टू यू नो डू समथिंग, फॉलो देयर ओन ड्रीम्स, एट द सेम टाइम सिंपल हैं. जनरली आई फील पॉजिटिव अबाउट यंगस्टर्स, बट कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि कुछ लोग बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं नेगेटिविटी से, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं हमारे देश में जो हमेशा कहते हैं कि यू नो दे ओनली सी द बैड थिंग्स, दे ओनली सी कि नथिंग इज़ हैपनिंग, ये कब बदलेगा, ये कब चेंज होगा, ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है. सो देर आर सम यंगस्टर्स हु गो थ्रू लो टाइम्स, एंड कभी कभी वो कनेक्ट भी होते हैं, एंड दे ऑल आई एम हैप्पी कि दे ऑलवेज से दैट वी गेट इंस्पिरेशन एंड स्ट्रेंथ when we talk to you. I just felt like reaching out, and so मुझे लगता है कि even if I'm making a small difference to those who make the effort to reach out to me, I feel that purpose, you know, like Akshay was always pro people, pro country, and I'm also basically like that. Our family is like that, so I feel very happy if I can be there for people in their time of difficulty.
Major Akshay was an amazing youngster, did many things. I know, and you know, the whole nation is so proud of what he has done. How is it to be the mother of such an amazing son?
It's a blessing, I think. What else can one say, right? He was like that since he was a kid. In fact, both my kids, I think I've been very lucky. मुझे लगता है I grew up with my children. I was a young mother and intuitively parenting किया, but lot of joys that he has given, lot of focus. He was always very, very bright, cheerful, positive. सबको साथ लेके जाना, कुछ करना है, जो भी करना है अच्छी तरह से करना है, मन लगा के करना है, मज़े करना है तो मज़े करो, लेकिन जब काम कर रहे हो तो बहुत ही फोकस्ड. एंड देयर वाज नथिंग जो मतलब अगर उसने डिसाइड कर लिया तो वो उसको अचीव करके ही रहेगा. मतलब यू नो स्मॉल थिंग लाइक इवन व्हेन ही डिसाइडेड आई वांट टू गो टू बैंगलोर मिलिट्री स्कूल, एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम लिखना है, तो इस तरीके से प्रिपेयर करेगा कि ही विल गेट थ्रू. नॉट कि बहुत इंटेलिजेंट, एक्स्ट्रा सुपर इंटेलिजेंट, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, बट ही हैड द एबिलिटी टू फोकस हिज energies and his efforts to realizing what he wants to do. तो for me it's a blessing, I think, and अब तो वो मेरा गुरु है. मतलब I think he is my guru. I may have raised him, but I'm also learning in the process.
Bringing up Akshay as a young mother, was he a naughty guy? How?
हाँ, naughty, very full of energy. मतलब पेट्रोल ख़त्म ही नहीं होता था उसका. Always, and he would ask a lot of questions. You know, lots of young kids are like that, na? Very curious, very energetic, and a very happy child, and always also wanted to do well. Like he would say, I need to read this again, I need to understand this again. That was also there in him. So पता ही नहीं चला कैसे बड़े हो गए. आई थिंक इट वाज जस्ट आई वाज अ वर्किंग मदर, नॉट जस्ट यू नो, so I was also I don't know whether many people probably don't know, but I had a longish career teaching in pharmacy colleges wherever Girish would be posted. So Bidar, Chennai, Mysore, Bangalore. I was going out since Akshay and Neha were 2 years old. So the best part I liked about Akshay was that when he was very small, like hardly 7 or 8 years old, and I would come back, you know, from working, I would come back. I used to park my scooter in Pallavaram railway station in Chennai. From there I used to catch a local, then I used to go on a college bus, and the minute I would come home in the weather of Chennai, and then I would come home and I would quickly get into the kitchen like all women do, right? You're still responsible for the family. Akshay would be the one who would say, Mama, मैं पानी लाऊं आपके लिए, you know, sit down for some time, आप बैठ जाओ. So that consideration was very much there within him. So I think it was just so easy raising my kids.
So Akshay was, उसको पहले से ही था कि ना आर्म फोर्सेस में ज्वाइन होना, बिकॉज डैड वाज इन एयर फोर्स, एंड तो वो शौक था. बट आर्मी बोल के था कि
ऐसा नहीं था. ग्रैंडफादर वाज इन आर्मी, फादर वाज अ फाइटर पायलट, अंकल वाज अ हेलीकॉप्टर पायलट. तो हिज फर्स्ट हीरो वाज हिज लाइक फादर.
ओके.
एंड ही आल्सो वांटेड टू, मुझे ना जैगुआर पायलट बनना है. दैट वाज इट, like a lot of children. But by the time he was in class 12, he realized चश्मा लग रहा था. And so when he went for his SSB, he actually cleared his Air Force SSB. But in the medical, thoda sa eyesight power. Both the kids had slight power. So he knew that at the entry level, the Air Force does not accept less than perfect vision. So he had given in his second choice as Army. And at that point of time, Girish told him that if flying is what you want to do, you can do commercial flying, because by then his father was out of the Air Force and he was a commercial pilot with jet. But Akshay was like, no, I want to go to NDA. I want to serve my country. I want to wear the uniform. And if it's not the Air Force, it's fine. I would like to go to the army.
अक्षय, मेजर अक्षय गिरीश ट्रस्ट, आप लोग इस स्कूल में, ये विलेज स्कूल्स में जो करते उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, बिकॉज आई वुड डेफिनेटली वांट टू कम एंड टीच द किड्स. इफ यू पुट सो मच ऑफ फोकस इन आवर विलेजेस, इतना सारा टैलेंट है, so like Guru Kalam often used to say, hit the villages. तो ये क्या करता है आपका ट्रस्ट?
देखो, बेसिकली जब हमने ट्रस्ट शुरू किया, हमारा ये था कि वी मस्ट कंटिन्यू दिस लेगेसी ऑफ सर्विस. जो मतलब अक्षय का अधूरा रह गया हो, तो ही ऑलवेज़ वांटेड कि वो कंट्रीब्यूशन बंद नहीं होना चाहिए। तो हमने सोचा कि हमारी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है कि हमारे फैमिली में और एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली में और हमारे फ्रेंड सर्कल में बहुत सारे वेटरन्स हैं जो आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स सर्व कर चुके हैं। एंड यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो कि इस लाइन में जा सकते हैं और जाना चाहते भी हैं, लेकिन उनको मेंटोरिंग, इंस्पिरेशन, इन्फॉर्मेशन सब देने के लिए हमने वर्कशॉप्स करना शुरू किया। फिर हमने एक स्कूल प्रोग्राम शुरू किया पहले वी स्टार्टेड इट एज अ पायलट प्रोजेक्ट विद द दोडबलापुर गवर्नमेंट स्कूल। एंड वहाँ पे हमारा फोकस थोड़ा सा अलग था। इट वाज कि 9th स्टैंडर्ड के क्लास के बच्चों के साथ हाउ डू दे, बेसिकली दे आर कन्नड़ा स्पीकिंग, सो हाउ डू दे ऑल्सो पिकअप कम्युनिकेशन इन अदर लैंग्वेजेस, हिंदी हो, इंग्लिश हो थोड़ा बहुत। एंड सेकेंडली वो कैसे मतलब अभी से रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कैसे ले to look at achieving their own goals, to look at to contributing to country, चाहे छोटी चीज़ हो like garbage segregation, स्कूल में कैसे मतलब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना, घर में कैसे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना। तो इस पे फोकस करने के लिए हमने सोचा कि जो लोकल रियल लाइफ इंस्पायरिंग हीरोज़ होते हैं, आपका शो देखो आज किस्मत से इट्स ऑन हीरोज़, हमने सोचा कि उनकी स्टोरी टेलिंग के माध्यम से एक तो वो उनका कम्युनिकेशन बढ़ेगा, तो वो स्टोरी टेलिंग के माध्यम से पूरा पार्टिसिपेटरी हमारा एक प्रोग्राम हमने करिकुलम डेवलप किया और हमने उसे उस स्कूल में किया। तो इट वाज सो सक्सेसफुल, द चिल्ड्रन वर हैप्पी, द टीचर कोऑर्डिनेटर वाज हैप्पी, द प्रिंसिपल वाज हैप्पी एंड वी वर वेरी हैप्पी, क्योंकि द एंथुजियाज्म एंड द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, उसमें नो क्लासरूम, नो सेशंस, नथिंग। बट हमने कौन से हीरोज़ लिए? Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan. He's a local hero, right? So what was his life like? Where did he do his schooling? How well have his parents taken his courage and sacrifice? What are they doing? So ये एक story था। दूसरा सालू मारेदा तिम्मका.
Okay.
She's everybody
Yes,
knows
everybody
about
knows her,
yes,
yes.
environmental. So when it was like, so we used to say साइंस डे है तो साइंस ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट कौन है?
Okay.
अभी हमारा वो मार्स का विमेंस प्रोग्राम क्या था? 71 वॉर दिसंबर आता था तो we used to say इस मंथ में क्या हुआ था जो हमारे देश में जो हम सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं? सो वी वुड से 1971 वॉर विजय दिवस था। तो व्हाट वाज स्पेशल अबाउट 1971 वॉर? अ न्यू नेशन वाज बॉर्न। It was liberated from the tyranny of, and India was responsible in a big way in granting that. इसमें से बहुत सारे heroes थे, बहुत सारे battle. Republic Day क्या होता है, so different things. Teachers Day आता है तो some great teachers. So we would have this storytelling and उसके अलावा some fitness. Ground में ले जाके ना हम ऐसे games खिलाते हैं जहाँ पूरी the whole team has to participate. पूरी team कैसे जीतेगी? ये नहीं कि मैं सबसे तेज़ भाग के जीत जाऊँगा, बाकी सब पीछे रह जाएंगे. This is about taking people with you. That's how the program is designed. And बहुत अच्छा था, but right now like अब हम सोच रहे हैं कि अगर इसे scale up करना है तो इसमें फिर government has to
Involve
education, हाँ, education department has to get involved, because हम तो सिर्फ एक दो स्कूल में ही खुद जाके कर सकते हैं, बाकी तो volunteers will have to be oriented towards taking it forward. And it's very simple. महीने में एक दिन चाहिए, one Saturday. तो दिस इज़ वॉट वी डू स्कूल वाइज. अदर देन दैट एज अ ट्रस्ट हम उनके साथ भी जुड़े हैं जो बाकी परिवार हैं हमारी तरह, जिनका बेटा या हस्बैंड या फादर हैज़ मेड द सुप्रीम सैक्रिफाइस फॉर इंडिया, एंड एज अ फैमिली, एज फैमिलीज वी आर ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड.
Very, very interesting. And 1:30 लंच. तो हम आपको ऐसे एक जगह चर्च स्ट्रीट में लेके जा रहे हैं, वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर and run by a very interesting man called Raju Thomas, and the place I'm sure you know, Coconut Grove.
Oh yes, I've been there many years ago now. Of late तो मैं गई नहीं हूँ, but yes, I would love to go there.
Yeah, why I particularly chose Raju Thomas, because Coconut Grove, he as a youngster, apparently he's 34 years old now, this hotel. As a young kid, he wanted to become a hotelier. And he was locked on to it and he chased. And that is something which I liked. There are so many such unsung heroes, so many youngsters who got locked on to their dreams. So let's go there, have lunch. When you talk about independence, what is that great memory that comes to your mind?
See, I know my parents were not born in independent India. ठीक है? So for me, being born in a free country, हम लोग 60s, आई एम अ 60s चाइल्ड, सो मेरे लिए तो दैट इटसेल्फ इज़ अ बिग ब्लेसिंग, बिकॉज मैं सुनती हूँ जब माई मदर एंड फादर दे टेल मी राशन के लिए क्यों था, कपड़ा वाज आल्सो राशनड, क्लॉथ वाज आल्सो राशनड, एंड यू नो हाउ हिस्ट्री टेल्स अस नो कितना साल कॉलोनियल रूल, उससे पहले हाउ मनी conquerors and emperors and everybody ruled us. So I think we really need to appreciate that we have an independent country, and while we became independent because our freedom fighters fought, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत कुछ किया उसके लिए, हमारे फ्रीडम के लिए, लेकिन 74 years our soldiers have given their all to keep our country free. And we need to appreciate that. We need to think क्या हम जो हैं as citizens, क्या हम responsible हैं, और क्या हम उनकी जो bravery है, sacrifices हैं, क्या हम उसको मन में रख के अपनी तरफ से हम क्या करेंगे अपने देश के लिए.
Sometimes I perhaps feel there's too much of freedom.
Yes,
and
everybody talks about rights.
Yeah.
Nobody is talking about responsibilities, duties.
Yes.
And also there's, like, I feel it is very satisfying to take responsibility. It is also very satisfying to contribute, to commit to something.
Yeah, so the whole issue is about how well we use this freedom, you know.
Yes, are we citizens worth fighting for?
Yeah,
Do we deserve the freedom that we are getting, or are we only going to keep finding fault? Thank you so much.
So I always feel when I see the people making so much of noise, the fight for the rights, all that. Now, इतना सारा freedom है हमको. Actually, हमने उसको यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं क्या फुल पोटेंशियल, और आर वी एक्सप्लॉइटिंग इट, और आर वी जस्ट इन द नेम ऑफ फ्रीडम जस्ट डूइंग नथिंग. सब लोग बोलते हैं कि देश को आगे लेके जाना है, तो हम यंगस्टर्स को ये बार बार बोलते हैं, ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर का काम नहीं है देश को आगे लेके, मिनिस्टर्स को काम नहीं है. Yes, they have some roles and responsibility. Instead of accusing politicians, yes, there are, there are definitely issues with Indian politicians, but we as citizens, हमने क्या कर रहे हैं? हम हमारा freedom के, are we putting it to complete use the right way देश के लिए? तो Independence Day में शायद it is a good idea to sit back and think, मैंने देश के लिए क्या कर रहा है.
करेक्ट.
यू कांट जस्ट से जॉब कर रहा है, जॉब देश के लिए,
जॉब तो अपने लिए कर रहे हैं, जॉब तो अपने लिए कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जॉब से जो आपको जो लर्निंग मिली है, जो एक्सपीरियंस मिला है, जो सैलरी मिला है, उसमें से आपने कितना देश को वापस दिया, क्योंकि जो भी हमें मिल रहा है वो देश से ही मिल रहा है ना.
करेक्ट.
इसलिए तो नहीं मिल रहा है क्योंकि so this question कि are we utilizing our freedom enough, I think कई लोग कर भी रहे हैं, कई लोग बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, साइलेंटली भी कर रहे हैं. और ये जो मैंने देखा है ना कि हमारे आसपास मैं देखती हूँ कि कितना होप जागा है.
Did we sit and talk about pandemic and its associated things, or despite all these difficulties we found a window to look outside and help?
I think we definitely found a window. Yes. And we took responsibility. मतलब जो हमें करना चाहिए प्रिवेंशन के लिए, कंट्रोल के लिए, जिसके ट्रीटमेंट की ज़रूरत थी, वो हमने कोशिश किया फॉलो करने के लिए और उसे निभाने के लिए. लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम ऐसे नहीं कि बस यू जस्ट क्लोज एवरीथिंग एंड सिर्फ अपना ही सोचो. we have to innovate in some ways, and we need to find that window and that hope. And I'm happy कि मतलब कई लोगों ने बहुत कुछ किया भी है, put in effort individually and collectively.
Coming back to Akshay, as a mother, अक्षय का कुछ ड्रीम अभी बाकी हैं which all of us need to fulfill?
Akshay na, he lived a lot of his dreams in a very short while. He was here only for 30 years, but उसने बहुत कुछ अचीव किया और बहुत कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट किया. तो उसका ड्रीम तो यही है कि प्राइड इन माय कंट्री, एंड यंगस्टर्स शुड ऑलवेज फील पॉजिटिव, होपफुल. उसको ये कभी नहीं था अगर कोई लो है तो वो वहाँ पहुँच जाएगा उसको मोटिवेट करने के लिए. और बाकी लोग जो ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, जो क्रिप करते हैं ना, उन लोगों को हमेशा ही वुड से नहीं, सब ठीक है, सब अच्छा है. लुक एट इट फ्रॉम द अदर साइड, यू नो, थिंग्स आर ऑल गुड.
Appam, crispy, and you know this has to
Thank
be
you.
this has to be taken eaten very crispy. You know, it is the crispiness that you know. Yeah. इसमें
And it's coconut gravy, is it?
yeah, coconut का वो करके ग्रेट. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so
Begin.
see, whenever
Thank you.
appam comes, you know, I remember my mother, and I am grateful that you know, Amma, you are there.
She is watching you from somewhere, don't
Yeah.
worry.
Amazing. And I have this Independence Day, I have taken taken a vow. I have, you know, one pledge that, you know, I'll regain my fitness. I started weight training. ये मेरा, you know, and plus my dream is now, एक नया dream आया है कि, of course, I can't now get into Indian team and play badminton. That's ruled out. But at least there are many veteran championships, you know. My age category, let's say 45 to 50 or 50 to whatever, you can represent the country if you really play well in that. So I wanted to wear that Indian tricolor, that thing.
That
and
pride.
And represent the country in जितना भी छोटा टूर्नामेंट है.
True.
That is my goal. मैंने शब्द लिया उसके लिए और थोड़ा वजन कम करना पड़ेगा, वेट ट्रेनिंग, तो मैंने वो उसका डिज़ाइन किया है. सो यू नो माय मेंटरिंग प्रोग्राम इज़ कॉल्ड डिज़ाइन योर लाइफ. मैंने दूसरों को लाइफ डिज़ाइन करता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेंटरिंग, बट मेरा खुद ही लाइफ भी फर्स्ट डिज़ाइन करना है ना. सो एन इंस्पायरिंग इंडिपेंडेंस डे लंच
Yes.
and veg that makes it more colorful. Yeah. Oh yeah, here comes Renu with, what is that, Renu? What's the surprise? Traditional Adapradavan. Okay. So this we used to make at home during Onam and all. Yeah, that's it. 1 spoon.
How is it?
Wow. Brilliant.
So I get the rest of it?
You get the mothers take it all. Yeah. Yeah. Great. So here is another superhero of India. Renu from Vellore in Tamil Nadu, 27 years chasing passion. So finally हमारा heroes का first guest आप हैं, and आपने हमारा shows बहुत देखा है. हमने किसी को नहीं छोड़ेंगे हमारा show से without songs. So ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in camera, Meghna Girish ma'am, Amma, going live.
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर से लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी. हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी. जय हिंद.
Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. It was fantastic. Yeah, you know, one aviation question. So you never wanted to fly, did you? Try your hand. I'm told that you know you once took an aircraft and went somewhere in the night. Is it true?
No, it isn't. But there was a time when everybody was, you know, saying, you have a science background, why don't you also fly? And a friend of my husband's, he would say, you know, monkeys can also fly. Why can't you try? I said, I'm not a monkey.
So yeah, thank you so much, Amma. I hope all of you enjoyed this very, very special show. You know, and we are lining up many more such inspiring heroes. You know, as I told you initially, it's just not going to be military alone. It'll have, we'll get you different people who have really, really contributed the cause of India. I want to also tell all of you that, you know, a lot of people ask us, a lot of people write to us asking in what way you guys can be partner, in what way you guys can support the causes, support Tarmac Media House missions. Well, again I'm telling, we don't want any kind of support from students, we don't want any kind of support from people who are just stitching their career, but definitely we are looking at support from individuals who are capable of supporting our missions, institutions who want to partner with us. Okay, so again wishing all of you a very, very inspiring Independence Day. Remember, we have lots of freedom, but remember to put it to right use. Remember to value this freedom, what is being achieved by many, many people's sacrifice. So back to Tarmac Media House, small matchbox office. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for all the messages you sent. Sometimes perhaps I'm not replying on time, but I am replying to each and every messages, or to all the youngsters this Independence Day. Perhaps the promise that you can take what Meghna Girish Amma told is to Tiranga ki taakat. What an amazing phrase she has coined. Tiranga ki taakat is what matters, nothing else. Do keep watching Tarmac Media channel. Do write to me. Remember to help others all the time. Stay inspired, stay safe. Jai Hind.